Welcome, Buccaneer. In this tutorial, we will learn how to access your financial aid offer letter, also referred to as your financial aid award letter. This letter outlines the financial assistance you've been awarded for the academic year to support your educational expenses. It's a crucial document for understanding college costs and planning how to cover any remaining financial obligations not covered by your awards. First, log into your student portal. Once on the home screen, you'll click on Financial Aid under Financial Information in the left navigation pane, and then select the Offer Letter link on the left side of the subsequent page under Award Year. This link will lead you to your current and most up-to-date award letter. On the right side, you'll see Offer Letter History, which displays past PDFs of previous offer letters that may have changed due to updates in your awards. Always refer to the current offer letter under the current aid year. You will want to ensure you've chosen the correct award year from the drop-down menu just above your offer letter. This allows you to review the award details for the desired year. Now that you have your letter, let's review it together. In your award letter, you see direct and indirect costs listed for the year. Direct costs are your tuition and fees paid directly to the university, and indirect costs are everything else, from books to housing. Some of these expenses are paid directly to Barry, and others are estimates related to your education. Next, you see grants and scholarships. This is money you don't have to pay back. Usually, what is next after that are student loans. But this example does not have it listed. Student loans is money you will have to pay back. Grants and scholarships and student loans are first applied to your direct costs. If you are eligible for federal work study, you will see it listed. This award is money you work for at an on-campus job and only applied to your indirect costs in the form of a paycheck. Your financial aid is listed for the fall and spring term and then as a total amount. Finally, you'll click on the blue link below the selected award year to download the PDF file of your offer letter. Here's a pro tip. You will want to ensure that you complete all your financial aid to-do list items as soon as possible. This is the only way our financial aid office can award all aid you are eligible to receive. If you have any questions about your financial aid letter, please reach out to our Student Services Center and Financial Aid Office. Thank you for tuning in.